The purpose of this video is to demonstrate how to set up fire override doors. By setting up fire override doors, we can make any doors on a particular site unlock and a muster report sent to the fire marshal in the event of a fire. In this example, let's look at our GDD Irish warehouse. We want all doors to open in the event of a fire. Firstly, let's look at the wiring. Every ACU defined as a fire override door requires a wired link back to the fire panel. The ACU is looking for a continual 0 volts on auxiliary in terminal for a normal state. When a fire is activated, the normally closed relay on the fire panel goes open, breaking the OV into auxiliary in. Once this is removed, the controller knows a fire has occurred and will unlock the door. The door will not normalize until the fire panel is reset and a 0 volt applied once more to the auxiliary in terminal. Now we know how to wire the ACU for a fire event. Let's look at how to set it up through ACT365. So we have logged on as an installer onto ACT365 and we're going to select customers. And then we're going to select our Global Deliveries Direct customer. And then we're going to click on Manage Sites and select Site Settings. Now, because we're dealing with the Irish GDD warehouse, we need to select it from the drop down menu, that site. And now under doors, we see fire door group, and we're going to select all doors, GDD Irish warehouse. Now, if we only wanted Pacific doors to open on that site, we could create a door group just containing those doors and assign it under the fire door group. So over on the right hand side, we have the options for our muster report upon fire. So enable muster reset time. So basically this, when set, the reset time causes all mustered card holders to be cleared out of the report. So in the event someone forgot to swipe out on an exit reader, this will wipe them off the site. Muster reset time, so we can define at what time of the day this happens. So maybe when everybody's off site at 2 o'clock in the morning, say. We also have an option for enable inactivity period. So when set, card holders are cleared from the muster report after no activity for the inactivity period specified. So we could say after 24 hours we want them cleared off the site, because obviously they're not on it if they haven't swiped on any readers in that time. And then lastly, the email address that we want the muster report to be sent to in the event of a fire. So I'm going to type in Joe, who is the administrator on the Irish warehouse side, to receive the email. So I'm going to go hit save. Success, advanced site settings saved. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to select reports and I'm going to select log events. And what I'm going to do now for the purpose of demonstration is I'm going to trigger the fire alarm. So the fire alarm has been activated and we should see an event come in now telling us that. So we can see there at the 7th 13th 2016 at 10 to 3 fire active, and the door unlocked, the front door. And also now if we check Joe's email box, we should receive an email at the muster report. And here it has arrived: ACT admin muster report GDD Irish warehouse. Attached you will find the requested muster report. So if we click into it, and here is the attached muster report, and then we can see everybody who's currently on site, and obviously if they had a mobile number assigned to them, it would show it up there so we could call them. In addition to the muster report being emailed to the fire warden, a very powerful feature of the ACT365 app is the real-time muster report. Using the ACT365 smartphone app, you can run a muster report that updates as cardholders swipe out of a building. Again, you can see that you can call the person if they're not accounted for. So we can just tick them off like so, or alternatively we can hit the phone symbol if a number has been assigned to their profile, and then we can call them. Hence, this concludes our tutorial on how to set up fire override doors, how to wire them, and how to set up email reporting.